Good morning, my friends. I hope that you had a lovely weekend and that you are ready for today's lessons. I hope you had a great breakfast and that you are right and ready. I hope that your pencil is sharpened. I hope you have your worksheets ready to think and use your brains. Today we're going to start with mathematics, day 1. But first, we must welcome a few new friends in the class, and we're going to start with counting. Hello, new friends. Let's count them. Can you help me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 new friends. Let's count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 friends in the class. Can you help me to count them as they walk out of the class? Let's see. 5 friends, 4 friends, 3 friends, 2 friends, and lastly only 1 friend. Well done. So you have counted forwards from 1 to 5 and counted backwards from 1 to 5. Well done. Let's start by adding numbers. Let's welcome back our friends. Hello, friends. We are going to add some numbers. Look carefully when you count. Let's count our friends again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 friends. As they walk outside the class, can you help me count backwards from 5? Let's start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done, friends. I'm so proud of you. You counted forwards and backwards from 1 to 5. Let's start again. 1 friend already left. 5 friends. 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Super awesome work. Take a deep breath and make ready for the next one. More or less. What does it mean to have more and what does it mean to have less? Here I have 2 tables placed in the class. Be careful, the friends are coming running in. Let's greet them all. They had to choose a table where they must sit. But now, can you see that they are not equally spread at the tables? Which table has more? This one. Well done. This one has 3 friends and the other table has 2 friends. Can you see that the one with 3 friends is more and the one with 2 friends is less? This one has more friends than this one. Let's see if you can do it by yourself. Which group has more than the other one? This one. Well done, because this one has 3 friends and the other one has 2 friends. And this one, which side has more friends? Yes, this one. It has 4 friends and the other side have less friends. Which one have less friends? Remember, listen carefully what I'm asking. Which group has less friends? This one. Well done, because this one has 2 friends and the other side has 3 friends. Well done. We are so proud of you. Now we are ready to do number symbols. And for this activity, you are going to use your clay. So get your clay ready. Pause the video and get your workstation ready. Remember to clean up afterwards. Can you recognize this number? Yes, it's the number 1. Build your number 1 with clay. Pause the video. What does number 1 look like? Let's see. 1 fish. Say it after me. 1 fish. This is 1 bear. Say it with me. 1 bear. This is 1 girl. Say it with me. 1 girl. Can you recognize this number? Yes, it's the number 2. Build the number 2 with your clay. Pause the video and when you are finished, continue. What does the number 2 look like? Let's see. This is 2 friends. Say with me, 2 friends. This is 2 pencils. Say with me, 2 pencils. This is 2 apples. Say with me, 2 apples. Well done, friends. Number names and symbols. Here in this activity, you are going to use your clay again. Can you recognize this number? Yes, it's the number 1. We are going to learn a rhyme for writing the number 1. The rhyme goes like this. Number 1 is like a stick, straight line down that is very thick. Can you see at the red dot that it's starting from the top and goes all the way down to the bottom? I want you to stand up and stretch up high, making a straight line down to the floor, making the number 1. Let's go through the poem again. Number 1 is like a stick, a straight line down that is very quick. Well done, friends. The number name looks like this. 1. Say it with me. 1. Pause the video and make the number name 1 with your clay. Get ready for story time. I have 1 pencil and my friend also has 1 pencil. How many pencils do we have all together? Let's see. I have 1 pencil. Can you count 1 pencil? And my friend also has one pencil. How many pencils do we have all together? Can you count the pencils? One, two. One, two. Well done, friends. We have two pencils all together. I want you to meet a new friend. This is Mrs. Dot. Can you see how clumsy she is? She is living in this beautiful yellow house. House number 2. 1, 2. In house number 2, there are different floors, and on each floor, there can only sleep 2 people. There are 2 rooms, but they can only sleep 2 people. Let's look at the first floor. We see our 1, 2 rooms, and in the first room there is already 1 person sleeping. How much more must sleep in the second room to make Mrs. Dot happy with 2 people? Let's see. 1. Here's 1 dot, so the other one must be this side. 1 dot sleeps in the one room and 1 dot sleeps in the other. That means that 1 and 1 are friends to make 2. Let's see the next one. There are 2 people living in this room. Let's see, 1, 2. So there's already 2 people living in the one room, and there are only allowed 2 people on the floor. So how many people are going to live in the second room? Yes, because there is already 2 people in the one room, there's going to be 0 people in the other room. Remember, 2 and 0 are friends to make 2. Let's move on to the next one. In the one room, there are 0 dots. How many more must I put in the other room to make 2 dots living on the floor? But wait, can you see that we already have a floor that has 0 friends? And we already have the answer for that 0, which means 2 and 0 are friends to make 2. So therefore, if there are 0 dots in the one room, there must be 2 dots in the other room. Well done, friends. Let's look at the days of the week. Say them with me if you know it. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. How many days of the week are there? 1, Monday, 2, Tuesday, 3, Wednesday, 4, Thursday, 5, Friday, 6, Saturday, and 7, Sunday. That means there are 7 days in a week. Now practice the months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Let's quickly see how many months of the year there are. Can you help me? 1 January, 2 February, 3 March, 4 April, 5 May, 6 June, number 7 July, number 8 August, number 9 September, number 10 October, number 11 November, and number 12 December. That means that there are 12 months in the year. You must practice the days of the week and the months of the year every day. Now it's time to get your worksheet ready. Pause the video and get your worksheets ready. Remember, knees together, toes together, and your back must touch the chair. Remember to get day 1 worksheet. The date is the mathematical date. Can you see that there's no name of a month? That's because we are writing the mathematic date. 25/1/2020. That means it's the 25th day of the first month, which is January, in the year 2021. The first question, count from 0 to 5 and backwards. We already practiced it. Can you still remember? Pause the video and count from 0 to 5 and from 5 back to 0. Look at the picture of these animals and draw the same number of dots in the correct block on the next page. The first one is done for you. Can you see that there are 3 dots next to the flower? Because I counted 3 flowers in the picture. You must draw the same number of dots in the correct block next to each animal that you count. Start with the bunny. Count the bunnies on the page and draw the blocks. Next, count the birds on the page and draw the dots. Next, count the cows and draw the dots. Lastly, count the fish and draw the fish dots in the block. The next activity. Draw the number with 5 different colors. Start at the dot. Can you count out 5 pencils? You can also use your wax crayons for this activity. Remember our rhyme. Number 1 is like a stick, straight line down, that is very quick. Remember to start at the dot and go all the way down. When you are finished, trace the number 1 in the cat lines. Number 5, trace the number name 1. Can you still remember? The last page. Draw 1 object in the block below. Remember to use the whole block and draw only 1 object. That means it can be a shape, it can be anything that you would like to draw, but remember to draw only 1. Complete the number bond house. Can you still remember Mrs. Dot's house? copy and draw one more. I already did the first one for you. Can you see that I copied the first one and then I drew one more circle? Do it with the next one. And lastly, friends, practice naming the days of the week and the months of the year. This you must do daily and practice it until we get back to class. Thank you so much, friends, for staying with me in this video. Remember, you are very smart and we look forward to seeing you at school again. Bye.